Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence. This is their part number 220CH. This is a showcase lock is what it is. Let's pull everything out of the package here. A showcase lock is, used in applications where you have generally a piece of thin sliding glass. You'll have steel ball bearing track at the bottom, a top track guide basically is what it is, and then you'll have a pair of doors that just simply slide. Walk into the doctor's office, slide the glass door open. That's the showcase lock application. So a showcase lock is going to feature this ratchet type of principle with the lock body itself that you're going to then slide it down over. It's in the unlocked position now. Okay. So this will install over one piece of glass, and that lock body will just slide down so that you cannot have your glass, basically, you can't bypass the glass because it's being blocked by the lock body itself. And you slide that down until the point where it makes contact with the edge of the glass, preventing the movement, until, of course, you pull that out, and there it is. Small little screw here that's going to allow it to stay secure. Going to include, of course, the lock body and then a pair of original keys. They are stamped E08 maybe? I don't know how many different changes there are with these, but they are listed as available as keyed randomly only, which means it's not possible to order these in multiples of key-to-like units, unfortunately, is how that would work from the factory. So let's switch to the screen view now and take a closer look, but first let's take some basic dimensional properties. Overall length of the bar, they have it at 5 1/4, yeah, appears to be about accurate. Okay. Overall depth of the unit looks like it's about 7/8 of an inch. This is going to work on glass up to 5/16 of an inch thick. I would say that would be accurate, about 5/16 of an inch. Okay. Projection of the lock body, or the overall thickness of the lock body, looks like it's just shy on 1 inch. And then from where it's going to basically sit when it's installed, it's going to be closer to about 13/16. Okay, let's switch to the screen view and take a closer look. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are looking at. Let's take a closer look at some images that we have linked to down below. Get the idea how that is going to work. I think we can overlay the glass here, get a better idea of what that looks like. And the glass is going to sit in here. Oh, that's awful. Let's try that again. So you're going to secure that down to your glass. Obviously, the next piece of glass is going to have to come here. Okay. You're not going to be able to move that when it's in the locked, ratcheted position in either direction. Okay, that's what that'll look like. Just a front view, backside. The two components separated from each other, showing the ratcheting teeth, so to speak. Lock body, your two keys. Now there is some extended description information down below. And it says screw-on ratchet bar holds lock onto glass. Secure double bit key. Double bit key means that it is... there are cuts on both sides of the key. That means when this enters into the cylinder, there are wafer or disc tumblers inside of there, and that you can actually install this into the lock in either position, either side up, so to speak. It's what would be called a convenience key. These cuts are identical on either side, and the milling on the key blank is symmetrical, so you can just literally flip it over 180 degrees, just like a car ignition. If you're old enough to know, you know, if you had a type of manufacturer, Ford would have a double-bitted key. That would be a convenience key that could go in either direction. Keyed randomly. Now, I had said earlier about these not being keyed alike. This one cannot be the 220CH. However, they most certainly have a version of this that can be keyed alike. And that would be the 220KA-CH, I think. Maybe it's 220CH-KA, yeah. So 220CH-KA, it's the same lock, but when you order the keyed alike version, regardless of how many you order, it will all come keyed alike. So if you have several showcases, want the same key, then order the KA version. Extremely convenient to open and resecure glass. Ratchet bar is secured to one glass panel with a plastic-tipped thumb screw. Got your dimensions here. Each lock is supplied with two double-bit keys. Chrome finish. Be more appropriate, I think, to call that a polished chrome type finish. Now, there is a link below this video to the product brochure, and this is about 18 or 19 pages worth of showcase locks and other types of small platform locks. The 220 is on the second page of that document. Shows here the two part numbers. And as you go through the catalog here, you'll see other variants of these showcase locks. Different door thicknesses, different key types, different lengths, sizes, etc. So probably well worth the time to investigate these different designs that are available here. Plunger style locks for sliding applications as well. Okay, finally, there is a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Laurens products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation as seen here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as several catalogs. The showcase locks are in CRL 53R. That would be the full catalog to review all such items from C.R. Laurens. That document is Glass and Glazing is what it's called. Mirror hardware, mirrors, glass cleaners, showcase, display, and shelving hardware. So there you go. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, a very typical piece of equipment that you're going to see in retail applications. You know, I saw them in the doctor's office every time that we came in. You knew when the lady was when the reception, well, actually, she was not a receptionist where I went. She was the dentist's assistant. She did everything. She assisted during, pardon me, not the dentist, the pediatrician, actually. Now, we're talking 1970s here, so she answered the phone, she took messages, she made appointments, she then came in and assisted the doctor with, standard operations as well. It was crazy. I thought to myself, even at that young age, wow, this person does everything in the office. And I knew the one time that we had come in, when the doctor wasn't there. I had gotten hit in the face with a hockey stick as a child, left a small scar there. And we had called the doctor's office. Oh, the doctor isn't here. You'll have to call back. My mom explained, you don't understand, you know, blood just gushing out. The nurse was my aunt, actually my mom's aunt, so my great aunt. And I remember walking into the office, you know, like this, and she was going to, well, she wouldn't give me stitches. She was going to clean the wound and make sure that there was no permanent damage, I suppose, causing further, you know, chaos to erupt. But I remember walking into the dark, you know, reception area, and that showcase lock was there, and I realized, oh, she's literally here alone. So that was the first time I ever saw a showcase lock. Any questions on the CRL 220CH key different showcase lock or any other CR product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.